Hey guys, this is Ryan's Red Adventures. I'm back with another video today. This is the 2 out of 3 52-inch Hampton Bay Rockport ceiling fan in our house, in the family room in our basement. And next video will be of the ceiling fan in the craft/storage room. And we barely ever use this fan because we barely ever use this room. So yeah. And I opened up the window so it will be lighter in here. Or brighter, I should say. Well, anyways, I'll give you a look. There's the tag right there. It's from December 2016. It's got reversible lights and bleached oak blades. It's got the original 3 light kit. And I'm assuming that there were original Hampton Bay pole chains on here, but I'm guessing they probably broke off or were just taken off for some reason, or didn't come with the box. But yeah, can't think of anything else to say, so we'll just get into the demonstration now. So there's the light. There's low speed. It's also got a slight humming noise to it, but not as loud as the one in the guest bedroom. Okay, we'll go to medium. Speaking of noise, maybe I lied. It's probably as loud, or probably louder, but whatever. Just, I don't know what happened there. There's high. It's starting to wobble a little bit. You can probably see it. I don't know if you can. It does blow a lot of air for this room, because this fan is on scale for the size of this room. Yeah, and now here's a problem. So this house has pretty low ceilings because it's extremely old. It was built back in the 60s, and the ones in the basement are probably lower, but they're so low I can touch the ceiling without even having to jump. Cause I'm like 6 feet tall, and yeah, but my dad's taller than me, and sometimes when he's walking underneath the fan, he'll sometimes hit his head on the light shades, and gets mad about it, and he sometimes like, they should have flush mounted this fan. I'm kind of like that too, but not as mad, because sometimes as I'm walking, I'll hit my head on the pole chains. Because my dad's taller than me, he's 6'2". And like I said, I'm 6 feet tall. Blows a lot of air. That's off. Anyways, that's the 2 out of 3 Hampton Bay Rockport ceiling fan that's in our basement in the family room. Stay tuned for the 3 out of 3 Hampton Bay Rockport, which is in that room, in a bit.